Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am in the gold chart. You can see the gold movement in yesterday. Gold dropped to the below side, and this support level was broken yesterday. This is a 1940 level. Price has reached test several times this level, and this level was broken yesterday with the federal interest rate released was yesterday. So that's the Forex live mentions Fed to delay one more 25 bps rate hike to at July meeting. So Powell was mentioning that he was speaking in the hawkish tone to will be another one or two rate hikes is coming in this year. That's the hawkish tone. That is the demand of dollar, and gold has to drop the below side. So that's the hawkish tone of Powell. So you can see the federal Forex factory that the federal funds rates 5.25 and Fed forecast and expected to post the interest rate 5.25, and it is already post the interest rate. That the US dollar post the interest rate is after 12 months after 1 year, like that post the interest rate. But this postment is already sentiment to the market, and that's why dollar not get off sell off and gold not demand as well much as expected. So because of this is already sentiment, market already expect to this forecast figure 5.25 rate pause. So that's the Fed watch tool. I am going to the website, Fed watch tool website, so you can see the next FOMC meeting in July months. That's the July months, that the 71% probability to the interest rates 25 bps high 5.25 to 5.5. So 28% probability to the interest rates holds ports in 5.25 again. So that's more probability, almost 75% probability to the interest rate 25 bps hike in next FOMC meeting July. So that is the dollar hawkish tone, and that is the will be the dollar demand as well with the next FOMC meeting. Powell also mentions that we must again interest rate hikes. That's the hawkish tone, and that is the demand of dollar, and gold will be sell off. So that's what's happened in Fed interest rate decision, and that will be happening next FOMC meeting July. So I think dollar not sell off much as expected because of market has already sentiment interest rate post yesterday, and that's the hawkish tone from the Powell, and that is the reason for dollar demand and gold drop to the below side. So this 1940 level technically price hold with the several times that yesterday has broken to the downside. So now gold direction is to the down pressure. Is expected next meeting FOMC meeting 25 bps interest rate with B hikes. That's the demand. Gold again, dollar again, and gold drop to the below side again. So the market is expecting is like that gold chart. I am in for our chart, so I think gold will be retest to this level and drop again with this economic data. Technically you have a sell zones in here. This is I am going to the 1 hour chart for your clear picture. So you have sell zones in here. Technically for this is drop base drop, you have a sell zone in here, and price retest to this and sell again like this, retest to this and sell again like this. 1920 1910 is the will be the target with this hawkish comment from Fed. So this resistance will be at support, support can be resistance like this. This is retest and dropped. So that is your sell opportunity 1940 1945 level you have a sell opportunity. Again you have a sell opportunity in here. This is the QM sell zone. This price also can be retesting here and again drop to the below side. So sell opportunities, sell chances in gold. Now the direction is going to the downside with the dollar demand with the hawkish tone. So technically I am seeing these levels. You can get the sell opportunity. That's 1950, 1944 and 1940 level also can be a sell level. So accurate gold signals in Telegram group, link is below. You can join with the it in Telegram group. So get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmations, money management well. So thank you very much.